สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone just greet in Thai say hello I hope you guys doing well there in this video I'm going to show you my old apartment that I am right here right now and my new apartment I've been living in here for like since 2016 so it's been 4 years already unfortunately I gotta move so at the beginning I'm going to show you from the front door kitchen living room that I'm sitting right now bedroom bathroom before I show you my apartment I will just show you guys with the beautiful sunsets here around my area I'm living on the 10th floor so I can see all the neighborhoods here. It's pretty noisy at the daytime and nighttime as well. I'll let you guys watch the videos. Enjoy! Start from the hall area from the front door. This building is pretty old, but I stay with the wonderful flatmate, so the place doesn't bother me that much. And I'll tell you a little bit of the great benefits of the company that I work in here. They provide us with a free accommodation with full furnished, but we gotta share with 2 or 3 flatmates. Basically, the flat has the living room here, kitchen, equipped with all essential appliances. As you can see, microwave, washing machine, stove, like everyday using. They come and change every 4 years and they come and check that it's working properly every month. So now I'll show you the flat. We have here 2 bedrooms of my flatmates and they actually share with the common bathroom. See bathtub, toilets. It's pretty nice. But just a little bit no privacy, that's it. And this is the master bedroom that I'm in. You can see it's pretty decent and I have the bathroom inside. This is the best thing ever since I joined here, because I won't feel like living with another people sharing the bathroom. That's pretty much all the rooms are like, and we'll see how my new house gonna be. Stay tuned, keep on watching. Welcome to my new house. You can see it's really big, huge living room. I'm living with one of the flatmates only, and this is the kitchen. It's pretty smaller, but I love it because the best thing is I have my own fridge here. Wow, this is really, really awesome. Love this place. And now, moment of truth. I have my biggest bedroom, super nice, very clean, and the toilet inside, yay, I really love it. So now I'm leaving for a week already, and so far so good, no noisy sound, pretty nice flatmates. And if you guys have any comment, just comment down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next video clip. Bye bye.